What you say? What you say, Kara? What you say, Mommy?
The calendar back.
Oh, you're going to put the calendar in here?
Yes.
Okay. All right. It wasn't going to stay together. All the pieces fell out. She just changed it. Remember I said that I couldn't put it in here until she changed it? Oh, my goodness. All right, so I'm going to zip it up for her. Oh, this fits perfectly. Okay. I forgot to say good morning. Good morning, you guys. What you say?
Sunday, May 4th.
What's
Sunday.
happening May
Dad
4th?
is going food shopping.
Oh, he's going food shopping next week? Okay, when we come back?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness, she already got his back. So I had to reconfigure a little bit because of the shape of the elephant. So I put it at the bottom and then, just put everything else in there. Yes, on the autism duck. That is so cute. Sound machine rocking over there. Her vitamins, right? Her vitamins are right here. So she is good to go. I can close it up and hubby can get it in the car. Hey, Miss Girl.
How are you? Good.
You good? You got good vibes only going on?
Yes.
She's so funny. She is ready. So this is the outfit of choice for travel day. Very light, airy, comfortable. That is what we're going for, right? Comfortable. It's in the green family, right? And let me tell you, this material is like butter. Oh my goodness. Grabbed it from Amazon. It fits me so cute. And I'm going to complement it with the jean jacket, right? Rocking 3/4 length on the sleeve. I stay cold, so this is a must. In Florida, we're going from 47 degrees to about 91. So I will probably ditch the jacket later, but yeah, this is what's rocking. So I opted for these green sneakers. These are my Tories, and they're so comfortable, and I like to have closed-toed shoes when I'm traveling. For comfort, one, and because I'm clumsy and will fall in 3 hot seconds. And when I'm running around with the girls, bathrooms and things, I want closed-toe shoes. So yes, on these. Oh, I am wearing the compression socks from Dollar Tree just because my feet swell sometimes when I sit on a plane. I have my anklet on, right, with the paw print. That's so cute, my baby. I miss her already. I forgot to tell you, so remember the luggage tags? So Kara decided to keep hers. Hubby wanted to keep his Star Trek. So, but yeah. What is it?
49 pounds.
Oh, man. What was yours?
42.
All right, I might have to take something out. Your suitcase is in the car already?
No. 44 pounds.
All right, he said 44. You think I should move something over? Sounding like he's stressed.
Yeah, maybe just one thing from here to there.
All right, so I took the sunscreen bag out of Kara's. So now it's about, what'd you say, 46, 47?
Yeah, 46.
It's 46, and he's going to reweigh Sydney's to see what's rocking. All right, so we got 46 over here and 47 over here. Okay. I kept my cow print. So, yeah, but it's covered on the bag. So hopefully it's not 50 pounds. Mine is the lightest, 43. Get out of here. Mine is usually the heaviest. So here is my carry-on. I'm going to do the tote bag, right? I love this bag so much. I carry the brown leather one to work sometimes, and it's the perfect size. And I was going to actually take that one, but because of the leather, it wasn't flexible enough, so I grabbed the canvas one. Yes, on that. I love the color. I love everything about the bag. The straps are nice and thick on my shoulders, so this is perfect. So let me show you what's rocking in here quick and fast, right? I grabbed the insert, like this whole big piece from Amazon, right? I just have some whites and Pop-Tarts in here. My iPad, my mini is rocking, all ready and set up with this week's Young and the Restless, right? I did not watch any of the episodes so I could rock on a plane. And I have a heating pad in here, the ones from the DT, right? A lanyard. My lip gloss is in here. This is a Rare Beauty one. So pretty. I have some lotion in here, right? Me, Kara said. I have some of the wipes in here from the Dollar Tree. So cute. These things are everywhere. I have my cords in here, right? Wrapped up from these, you know, cord clips that I grabbed from, I think, Timo. I feel like. Okay, Kara. I have my AirPods in here, rocking, right? And yeah, just a couple things. I have some mask in here just in case. Over here is just like some extra, some medications and things. And Sydney's is rocking over here, right? We don't want those things in the suitcase. So yes to that, right? The portable chargers are, one is in here, one is in my carry on, my notebook for my random thoughts, right? I have a pen in here. There it is right there. Some straws. So it's 4 of those rocking in here. My nail glue in case I pop. And my glasses, like seeing glasses. And my power blend is rocking in here. And then here is a bag in the front of some snacks, right? Some raisins and, you know, all the things, right? Just in case, we always snacking it up. So yes, on the Nutri-Grain. So there we go, right? Simple and very convenient. I love this bag. And here is the crossbody. I'm going to rock this the entire vacation. Like if I'm walking around the ship or, you know, I get off or anything like that, right? This is the tiny one. So darn cute, right? I love that it's white. Kind of like an off-white a little bit. The strap, nice and thick. This is perfect. So little, you know, zipper in the front, throw some things. And then when I open in here, here's the other charger. These chargers are fire, thin, perfect. Has both of the cords here, right? The attachments, right? Wallet, SIDS meds, emergency seizure meds, just in case. I carry that at all times. The Mentos, and I mixed the blue with the green. So yes to that, right? And some lip gloss is in here, right? Which one did I put in here? The e.l.f. That's so pretty. And here is the medicine suitcase, right? That I grabbed from Amazon. Let me open it. So we are good to go. The Tylenol, the Excedrin migraine, you know, I might need Prilosec, Pepto, Dramamine, NyQuil Day, right? Tums is rocking. So these are, I guess, our essential ones. You know, someone else may rock something different. But yes, on the suitcase of medicine. So that is the crossbody, right, and the carry-on. So let me get my butt downstairs. I think it's time to go. Oh, she just said she wants to take 5 books. So you see what I mean? Now let's see. I don't think she's going to pick any Pete the Cats. This is all Blue's Clues. We taking Blue's Clues?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Look, she put them back. What is happening? Okay. Yep. All Blue's Clues. That is so funny. So hubby made the sandwiches. So the PB&Js are the last thing to go on the top. The girls will probably eat these on the plane, most likely. They already had Pop-Tarts this morning. So, yes. Look at Kara peeking. So we're on our way. Guess what I did? So remember I was showing you the sunglasses in the sunglass case and I put it in hubby's suitcase. I'm watching him because he's not breaking. I'm like, I forgot to take the sunglasses out to wear. So it was a whole thing, right? A few minutes ago. And I'm like, I need a pair of sunglasses. He's like, where are they? You know, so he had to pull all the suitcases out. So I was like, I know I'm a pain in the ass, but I need my sunglasses. So yes, on that is so bright, beautiful, chilly, but we're going to end up in...
Whoa!
Whoa! Every time we go over a bump, we have to do that. So, yes.
Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say.
Suitcases are lined up, right? Ready to go. Hubby just unloaded them. He kept his Star Trek. I kept my cow print. Sydney has her red. Kara has the black. And these are for when we put our passes in for the cruise ship. So they don't need to be on here right now. So yeah, we're good to go.
Wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it die. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, living.
So we have arrived safely in Florida, straight to the hotel. It's about a 50-minute ride from MCO, right, to Port Canaveral. And all the hotels right here, about 3 minutes. You can see the ship from, our room. So I'm just putting all of the tags for the cruise ship. And the girls had some pizza and things. And then later on, my whole party went to the rooftop. We wanted to see a rocket launch, right? That was pretty much the end of the night. We had some apps and things and conversations. And it was so good. We were getting excited. And it was a really nice night. So everyone was up there to see the rocket launch. It was pretty amazing. And yeah, that is how we ended the night. So I will see you guys on Sunday for the cruise. I'll see you soon. Bye.